Good morning, everybody. Hope everyone's feeling well today. Look at the green beans I found at Aldi's the other day, and we're going to cook those up with some potatoes, some ham, some onions. Let's get right on it. All right, let's get started right on this. Got my pan hot. I'm going to throw some butter in here. I know that's a big hunk of butter, but I think it's going to flavor nicely. My favorite spoon. This is going to be a quick dish. You can use it as a side dish, a main dish. You could add a couple other things to it, like bell pepper. I'm just going to keep it really simple today. Really want to get this going. We're going to throw our onions right in there. Could add more onions. I'm just not going to. We're going to fry it beautifully. And I'm going to put some potatoes right in there. I'm going to be boiling these in a chicken broth. Putting in here a little onion powder, a little bit of salt, black pepper, got some minced garlic here. I'm going to throw in that. And then we'll be adding some chicken bouillon. And I've got some ham I cut up. I just, this was like little round Canadian bacon I bought to go on some biscuits I made with eggs. So I'm going to use it in this. It's going to make a wonderful flavor for these green beans and potatoes. I'm going to start adding the green beans. It's a lot of green beans, but I want to use them, so everything else is just basically here to season the green beans. A little more water, I think. I don't want it to go dry. I want these to cook nicely. If it gets too short on water, I'll add a little bit more. But I think it's going to be fine. And then we're just going to put the lid on, go away, and let it just cook until these green beans get so tender and the potatoes. It'll be wonderful. And I'll show you that in just a few minutes. Alright, our vegetables are done. Turn that off. They look delicious. Oh, they smell delicious. Let's get some out of here on this plate. I didn't want to cook these green beans too much and have them get too wilted. So I'm going to get some potatoes and ham in there and some onions. Where's the onions? There they are. So that you guys don't forget to hit the like button. Let's see. That looks super yummy. And we're going to serve it up with a little dinner roll here.